How do you prevent copper pipe damage from soldering heat? Imagine you're working on a plumbing project and want everything to go smoothly without damaging your pipes. Soldering copper pipes is a common task, but if you're not careful, the heat can cause problems. When you heat copper pipes during soldering, the goal is to reach about 800 degrees Fahrenheit at the joint to melt the solder properly. But applying too much heat or holding the torch in one spot too long can cause the pipe to warp, weaken, or even crack. So how do you avoid that? First, always start by heating the pipe itself, not the fitting. Heat the melt part of the pipe first, then move the flame to the fitting. This helps the heat transfer evenly and prevents hot spots. Use a propane torch with a pencil tip for precise control. When applying heat, keep the flame moving steadily around the pipe and fitting. Don't hold the flame in one place for more than a few seconds. This prevents overheating and damage. Protect nearby parts like plastic pipes, valves, or insulation with heat shields or flame guards. If you're working near sensitive components, use a wet cloth or heat sink to cool the pipe and shield those parts from heat. Before soldering, clean the pipe and fittings thoroughly. Remove any burrs and oxidation with a reaming tool and wipe with a clean cloth. Applying the right amount of flux helps the solder flow better, so less heat is needed. Make sure the pipe is dry inside because water absorbs heat and makes soldering difficult. Working in a well-ventilated area is also important to avoid heat buildup. Keep combustible materials away and work on a clean, dry surface. When possible, use low-temperature solder that melts at lower heat, reducing the risk of damage. For extra safety, place fireproof blankets or pads around the work area. If space is tight, consider removing sections of wall or repositioning pipes to give yourself more room and better control. Solder quickly and efficiently to limit heat exposure. Following these steps helps you make strong, leak-proof joints without harming your pipes or surrounding materials. Proper heat control during soldering keeps your plumbing system safe, durable, and ready to serve for years to come.